CA inter result is out. If you're watching this video, this means there's a chances that you have not cleared either group 1 or group 2, or you have missed the group by just few marks. Here I would like to tell you something, that not clearing any CA exam doesn't mean that you are not capable of becoming chartered accountant. In fact, if you will look around the people around you, some CA students who are into final or who become a chartered accountant had given a multiple attempt and finally got success. The difference is not intelligence, the difference is strategy. So before we discuss about our study plan, I would like that you should stop doing these 3 things. Stop blaming yourself, stop comparing yourself, and stop replaying the result in your mind. Because from today we are going to make a study plan that is going to give you a result very differently. So let's begin. The most important step today you need to take is to accept the result. Many students waste 15 to 20 days after result in discussing क्या गलत हुआ, मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, why which lecture my friend watched और वो clear हो गए, मेरे marks क्यों कम आए. So ये unnecessary stuff में हमारे काफ़ी दिन चले जाते हैं. But trust me, this is going to change nothing. So what I want कि just spend 2 to 3 days in analyzing your mark sheet, where you went wrong, analyze your mistake, discuss with your mentor, and understand which subject is difficult and which is easy for you. After that, close this chapter. Because जितने दिन भी आप analyzing में ज़्यादा बिताओगे और regret करोगे, आपका preparation days उतना ही कम होगा. Got it? Let's use 60 days formula. I assume that you are preparing for any of the group, whether group 1 or group 2. This 60 days formula will work in this one group where you have to manage 3 subjects. So many students do the mistake of just randomly study. आज एक chapter पढ़ना है, कल एक पढ़ना है, no revision, no testing. But ये जो strategy है 60 days formula, here I am going to cover the not only the concept clearance, but you will be revising the subject, you will be practicing, and finally landing onto the mock exam. So this 60 days formula is very beneficial. So watch till the end where the student has to complete this 60 days formula along something that you should know before going to exam. So be there till the end. So let's divide this 60 days into 30-30. So first 30 days you need to work on your knowledge part. So I would like you to allot 10 days to each subject. Subject paper number 1 10 days, paper number 2 10 days, and paper number 3 10 days. So you need to balance all the 3 subjects. Even if you are very good in one subject and not good in another subject, but still I want that balancing all the 3 subjects will give you result. Okay, never underestimate any easy subject because you never know exam में कैसे papers आएंगे. So you have to practice a lot. Now let's discuss that what you are going to do in this 10 days. You have to prepare yourself for exam ready. In the sense, in this 10 days, if you are studying any one subject, do all the concept clearance. जो भी chapter आपको difficult लगता है उसके multiple revision करो. In case you have not touched any particular chapter which you feel that it's tough and but still weightage है उसका, तो आप उसको study करो. Okay, practice lot of questions so that आपका ये particular subject के अंदर grip आ जाए. Okay, highlights करो. Then if you want to prepare your own notes, do it and don't miss a revision part. फुल डे अगर आप स्टडी कर रहे हो, से 10 आवर्स स्टडी कर रहे हो, तो आई विल सजेस्ट यू दैट फर्स्ट 8 आवर्स आप स्टडी में टाइम डिवोट करो एंड लास्ट का 2 घंटा, एंड का 2 घंटा इट शुड बी डिवोटेड इन रिविजन पार्ट. जो भी 8 आवर्स में आपने मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक स्टडी किया है वो 2 घंटे में रिविजन करो. हियर यू विल बी मेकिंग योरसेल्फ एग्जाम रेडी. माइंड वन थिंग, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू बिकम परफेक्ट. परफेक्शन सेकेंड साइकिल में आएगा. सो मेक योरसेल्फ प्रिपेयर अप टू 70% exam ready. Then rest 30% will be taken care in the next part. Got it? Here comes your very important phase. This is 20 days phase where every student has to work and allot days as per their strength and weakness. Say you need to allot 6 to 7 days per subject, but 20 days के beyond नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay, so what you are going to do in this 20 days, you need to practice MTPs, RTPs, PYQs. You need to practice a lot of case study. You have to improve your presentation. You have to improve your time management. Here exactly the marks are going to be created. So just having the knowledge doesn't mean आप एग्जाम में क्लियर हो जाएंगे. So you need to practice a lot. Knowledge alone will not able to clear your CA exam. Application will help you to clear the CA exam. आपको सब कुछ पता है, पर आप उस समय पे पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम में आप प्रॉपरली अगर प्रेजेंट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो ICI is not going to award you any marks. So in this phase practice is very critical. Also ensure in this phase that you should work on important chapters more. Here quality is more important than quantity. आपको लगता है 15 chapters पूरे एक साथ complete हो जाने चाहिए, but मैं practice कम करूँ will not give you marks. So here what you need to do is practice more, quality questions ज़्यादा focus करो और time management ज़्यादा focus करो, and this will help you to clear this CA inter exam. So now comes your most powerful phase, last 10 days. Depending upon strength or weakness, allot 3 days to each subject. 3 days to paper 1, 3 days to paper 2, 3 days to paper 3, and 1 day आप buffer में रख सकते हो. So what you need to do in this 3 days when you are preparing particular subject, then please, important thing you need to take care is don't change your notes, don't change your study material, don't change your teachers. Follow one thing, सिर्फ revise करना है, formula revisions करना है, overall कोई tricky area है उस पे work करना है और अपने mistakes पे work करना है. Here in this phase, when you are preparing a 3 days for a particular subject, I will strongly recommend that you go for 1 or 2 marks. Exactly जैसे CA exam लिखते हैं, same timing, same duration, same seriousness, same environment. And आप 3 घंटे का session के बाद you yourself analyze your mistakes. कि time manage हुआ कि नहीं, presentation properly हुआ कि नहीं, कि मैं panic हो गया, कोई important question मुझे आता था पर मैं attempt नहीं कर पाया. So analyze your mistake, understand where you are getting wrong and work on it. Remember one thing, that you need to focus only on revision, only on consolidation and only on confidence building. Nothing more you need to do in this phase. In case you have missed the group by just few marks, so this means that you are not far from success. Maybe थोड़ा सा revision, थोड़ा सा writing practice, anxiety management, presentation आपको definitely help करेगा to clear this phase. So please work on it. You are not at all far from success. Got it? Every CA student must be disappointed, but trust me, ये एक difficult phase है जो निकल जाएगा. I know this is not going to define your future. The same student who are actually disappointed today is going to be chartered accountant in the next few years. But only condition is don't stop, stay disciplined, stay consistent, follow structured plan and trust the process. This 60 days preparation will definitely change your life. So wish you very best of luck. If you are looking for some personalized 60 days plan, revision strategy, mentorship support, mock test series, then do connect me. Link is given in the description box. Don't prepare alone. Let's prepare smartly and crack this attempt together.